Students, we studied the definition of arc of a circle. Then we studied how to find out the measure of minor arc. That measure of minor arc is equal to measure of corresponding central angle. And measure of major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. Okay. Then we studied two theorems, that circles in a circle, the congruent chords corresponding to congruent arcs are congruent, and congruent arcs corresponding to congruent chords are congruent. Now, using these theorems and the measure of minor arc concept, let us solve practice set 3.3. Question number 1. In this question, circle with center C. In this circle, angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Angle ECF equal to 70 degree. So let us write here measure of angle. Angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. And measure of arc DGF equal to 200 degree. Measure of arc DGF. So the measure of this major arc is equal to 200 degree. Okay, and we have to find out measure of arc DE and measure of arc DEF. Okay, follow the question. Now let us start solution. Students, here the measure of central angle is given. So from that, let us find out the measure of this minor arc. Okay. So measure of central angle ECF is 70 degree. So the minor arc corresponding to this central angle is arc EF. So measure of arc EF is equal to measure of angle ECF. Okay, measure of minor arc is equal to measure of corresponding central angle. Therefore, measure of arc EF is equal to 70 degree. Okay, this arc EF we got 70 degree, and arc DGF is given 200 degree. And here we have to first find out arc DE. Now student, if you observe the figure, you will come to know that this circle is divided into three arcs. Arc DE, arc EF and arc DGF. Okay, so circle is divided into these three arcs. If you add the measure of these three arcs, we will get the measure of one complete circle, which is equal to 360 degree. Followed? So using that concept, we will find out measure of arc DE. Okay? Measure of arc DE plus measure of arc EF plus measure of arc DGF is equal to measure of one complete circle, which is equal to 360 degree. Again see this statement. Measure of arc D plus measure of arc EF plus measure of arc DGF is equal to 360 degree. So let us substitute values. Therefore, measure of arc DE plus measure of arc EF we calculated 70 degree plus measure of arc DGF is given 200 degree is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Therefore, measure of arc DE plus 70 plus 200, 270 degree equal to 360 degree. Therefore, measure of arc D is equal to, like simple equation we have to solve. 360 minus 270 degree. Therefore, measure of arc DE is equal to, now do subtraction, 0 minus 0, 0. 16 minus 7, 90. So measure of arc DE we got 90 degree. Okay. Now we have to find out measure of arc DEF. So observe the figure. Arc DEF is the addition of two arcs. Arc DE plus arc EF. Measure of arc DEF is equal to measure of arc D plus measure of arc EF equal to, the measure of arc D we got 90 degree plus measure of arc EF 70 degree. Therefore, measure of arc DEF is equal to 90 plus 70 degree, 160 degree. Followed how we solved here?